What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's CobblerG here. So unfortunately here in Scotland we've gone into another lockdown, so I'm only working maybe 2 or 3 days a week at the moment. So what we're going to be doing is a little vlog style type thing for you guys, so showing you a little bit of my personal life and family and loads of nice areas around Scotland. Today we've come out to a place called Lochleven. As you can see, all the front of it's all frozen up. The mountains are covered in snow. Beautiful sunny day. And my beautiful partner's out with me. Check her out. Say hey! Alright guys, so we're in a place called Pitton Creek Park, what us locals call the Glen. It's a massive park, loads of nice little areas for us to go for a walk. up here. When our daughter was born 9 months ago, we came into the glen for the first lockdown, and we managed to do a wee carving and engraving onto a tree, so we're just going to check it out and see what it looks like now. This is dope. Come up these big ladders here up to this really cool walkway area.